Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my 5-sauce cup song video mashup. I hope you like it. I'm in my bathroom, so it might echo a little. We have problems echoing in here, so I hope that doesn't change anything, but I hope you like it. Okay. Back in high school, we used to take it slower. Red lipstick on and high heels stilettos. Had a job downtown working a servo. Had me waiting in line, couldn't even let go. 'Cause I never wanna be that girl who doesn't even get a taste. No more having to chase to win that prize. Hey, we're taking on the world. I'll take you where you wanna go. Pick you up if you fall to pieces. Let me be the one to save you. Break the plans we had before. Let's be unpredictable. Pick you up if you fall to pieces. Let me be the one to save you. I know someday it's gonna happen, and you'll finally forget the day you met her. Sometimes I'm so close to confession. I gotta get it through your head that you belong with me instead. But I'm always too late. I'm always too late. See you, but I always hesitate. I'm always too late. Don't wanna be too late. Have you in I cannot wait. Never is too late. Na 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 na. Yeah. Na 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 na. Hey. So I hope you guys liked that. So yeah, subscribe, retweet, comment, do whatever. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye.